Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna do green pepper recipe. I find that most people prefer the color peppers, the red, the yellow, the orange, because they're sweeter, they're white pepper. This is not sweet, so I tend to like to stir fry my peppers. So let's get started. I'm gonna use some sesame seed oil, a teaspoon, not too much because sesame seed oil is pretty fragrant and savory oil. In here I have some spring onion, ginger, so I used a tablespoon of that. To sort of give it more of an Asian feel or flavor to it. To this mixture I'm going to add my onions first. This is just one onion. Just going to cook them a bit to release the sugar in the onion. Here I have three red Thai chili pepper. I would start with one and work my way up. I want this the pepper spicy, so that's why I put three of them in there. Of course, you didn't have to use sesame seed oil. You could, of course, you could use olive oil, mustard seed oil, grape seed oil, any kind of oil you prefer, or coconut oil, or even no oil at all, and just use water. Just want to do a little bit more. The more you cook the onion, the more sugar is being released. This is good. As you can see, the peppers are starting to color the onions. I'm going to add the pepper now, the green pepper. How much you cook the pepper will depend on your taste. I'm gonna make mine a little bit. I'm gonna cook it for a little bit. Just adding water. What I'm looking to do is to just make the pepper tender, but not soggy, and also not crunchy, because if I wanted a crunchy green pepper, then I wouldn't cook it. Just gonna deglaze the pan just a little bit with water. Alright, that's good enough for me. And here you have it, spicy green pepper. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, like, and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.